Backpacking surely is fun with proper gear items, no doubt about that. But those who are new to this journey don't want to spend too much on high-end gear items, ending up in a confusing situation under their gear picks. In today's video, we'll showcase some backpacking gear for beginners under $150. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
First thing anyone needs to consider as a beginner is a good sense of their route. So carrying a satellite GPS like the Spot Gen 4 is always a wise choice. Besides being such compact and lightweight, this GPS device is impressively rugged to endure any harsh usage in the wilderness. Then comes life-saving features like an SOS button, check-in, and helping button, which can be very useful for beginners to prevent any unwanted situation. We understand backpacking trips can be tiresome, and a fresh cup of coffee is always appreciated. So here's the Trinity Zero, a super compact and portable coffee press for a refreshing coffee on the go. Minimal design and rugged structure make it perfect for those backpacking trips, while an easy coffee making procedure makes it more user-friendly. Backpacking can be very energy demanding, especially for a beginner. So better rest inside this Naturehike Cloud UP2, a comfortable living space to regenerate for the next adventure. Unlike any conventional tents, this one weighs around 3 pounds, making it an outstanding choice for carrying. And as for a 4-season tent, this one packs some excellent specs for top-notch insulation, waterproofing, breathability, and an overall better experience. Light Headlamp 200 is your go-to solution for nighttime exploration. Just as its name refers, it features a 200-lumen bright LED to light up those pitch-dark situations. Then comes its super lightweight structure, comfortable enough to make anyone forget its existence. Multiple lighting modes can be utilized for different situations, while its prolonged battery life makes it more practical for a backpacking adventure. Feeling tired after a long backpacking session? Rest easy with this Exped Flex Mat, a super lightweight and durable closed-cell foam mat for a peaceful sleep after all those hassles. Its unique design makes it rapidly deployable, while its closed-cell design ensures the utmost comfort and proper lumbar support. A strong cutting tool is always a must while you're out in the wilderness, but sometimes one needs more than just a reliable cutting tool, like this Gerber Armbar, a simple yet efficient multi-tool with 7 different tools. Unlike any one multi-tools, this one features a smaller and simple form factor to keep it conveniently inside a pocket. Valuable tools like a plain-edged knife, a bit driver with 2-sided bits, a pry bar, a bottle opener, a hammer, a spring-loaded scissor, and in all let its users quick fix anything necessary on the go. Meet the ECOeshiner Solar Table, a foldable, ultralight, and portable tray to carry on a backpacking trip. Now, as its name refers, this one boasts an innovative surface with solar panels to harvest most of the sunlight and use it to recharge those devices. A sturdy structure makes it durable enough to keep heavier items, while 92% of the solar conversion rate makes this 24-watt solar panel more efficient to quickly charge those devices. We understand that backpacking can be tiresome, especially for a beginner. So meet the Capric Chair from Multitool, a flexible and arguably the most versatile chair for a quick stop during a backpacking adventure. What makes it different? Well, the magic behind it is the adaptable frame that can be set differently to bring out 4 different sitting styles. So no matter its user wants to sit around a campfire or just lay back in a more relaxed way, the Multitool Capric Chair supports them all. A proper backpack is a crucial pick for a backpacking adventure. Now, we understand some of you will say, "No shit, Sherlock," but jokes apart, this Granite Gear Scurry is a well-capable backpack at such an affordable price. Built with Robic high-tenacity nylon, this 24-liter pack is light enough for a long-time carry. At the same time, perks like low-profile foam in the backpack and shoulder straps make it more comfortable, keeping its users at the center of gravity. MSR PocketRocket 2 is just what you think by hearing its name. Yes, it's an ultralight stove to keep inside that pocket. Fast and powerful burning is efficient enough to boil 1 liter water within 4 minutes, while it's stable enough to hold bigger cooking pots. Speaking of stability, this ultralight stove features wind clip wind protection, which combines with a focused burner for a persistent and solid flame, regardless of the weather condition. One may have the most powerful stove, but a proper cooking set like the GSI Glacier Minimalist can make cooking easier. This essential cook set is super efficient to include every little thing anyone will need, such as a rugged cookware, a small silicone pot gripper, a folding spoon, and whatnot. Rust-proof finish and the non-stick coating make it easier to maintain, and most interestingly, all these items nest together to perfectly utilize all the space. Nature isn't predictable, it never was, so keeping a capable rain jacket like this Cool Stretch Voyager is always a nice choice. Unlike its peers in this budget range, Voyager jackets come with uncompromised wind and waterproofing. Then comes its stretchy construction, making its users feel comfortable and more confidently. Durable and rugged materials ensure its abrasion resistance, while its ribbed cuffs make it fit and stay properly in its place. Backpacking can be a bit tiresome as a beginner, and your body will demand constant hydration. So here's the LifeStraw Peak Squeeze, a collapsible water filter bottle to carry anywhere. Its durable and rugged construction make it withstand any kinds of drops or other rough uses. At the same time, its microfiber filter is capable enough to eliminate most waterborne creatures. So drink safe with this LifeStraw Peak Squeeze. So that was our list of backpacking gear for beginners under $150. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.